Hey guys from YouTube, here's Zippo Tricker again, and I'm gonna review my mini Zippo. I'm gonna open it for you. And I'm gonna light it for you. It's a huge flame for such a small thing. It is really cool, because you can use it as a keychain, as something. And when you close it and you open it, there's smoke out of it. I don't know if you can see it, but I am gonna pull it apart so you can see it. This is how it looks. Of course, you fill it here. There's some cotton in it, and here's a spring to hold the flint. This is the inner case. Pretty good quality. It's thick steel. There's a keyring on it, so you can put away keys. Yeah, you just fill it with regular, like a Zippo, of a Zippo fluid. This stuff. Instructions are on the side, so you know how to fill your Zippo. I'm gonna place it back in it. And I'm gonna line it one more time. Pretty huge flame. And that was my review of my mini Zippo. Hope you like it, and see you next time.